In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address on Wise application. Keeping your address up to date in the Wise app helps ensure your identity details stay accurate, your cards and notifications are sent to the right place, and your account remains compliant with local regulations. I'll walk you through the process on mobile, and along the way I'll share a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, open the Wise app on your phone. Give it a moment to load to the main screen. If you've been browsing other sections, tap Home to return to your dashboard. This makes sure we're starting from the same place and that all the profile shortcuts are easy to find. At the top left of the screen, tap the profile icon. This opens your account area where your personal settings and details are stored. Now, scroll down through the profile menu. You're looking for the option labeled Personal Details. When you see it, tap to open. Inside Personal Details, choose Personal Information. This is where your legal name, date of birth, and address are kept. Locate the address field and tap it to edit. Enter your new address exactly as it should appear for mail and verification. Include apartment or unit numbers, the correct street name, city, state, or region, and the full postal or zip code. If your country uses a specific address format, follow that format closely. Small typos, missing apartment numbers, or swapped digits in a postal code can cause deliveries to fail or trigger verification checks. If you've moved to a different country, be aware that this can affect the products available to you and may prompt Wise to request additional verification. That's normal for financial services and helps keep accounts secure. If the app flags any errors while you type, correct them before you continue. Once everything looks correct, tap Save. The app should confirm your changes, usually with a brief message or a check mark. If you get an error, double-check each field for accuracy and try again. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that your app is up to date, especially if something doesn't look like what you see here. That's it. You've updated your address in the Wise app. A quick recap: open the app, go to Home, tap the profile icon in the top left, scroll down to Personal Details, open Personal Information, update your address carefully, and tap Save. Keeping this information current helps protect your account and ensures everything continues to run smoothly. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to confirm your other details are accurate while you're here.